In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage on Vantage. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside Vantage, inside your account, you want to go ahead and go to Accounts at the top over here where it says Accounts. And here you want to first select if you'd like to change the leverage of a live account over here, which I don't have at the moment, or a demo account over here. Now, after this, you'll see your basically the account is active, you'll see your leverage, how much you have on there, and then your account, login credentials, etc. Here, you simply want to hit this settings button, and then it says change leverage. Just press this change leverage button. It's gonna say your current leverage, and then here it says desired leverage. You can just change it. So for example, I'm going to choose the maximum one over here and then click on change leverage at the bottom, and as you can see, the request has been completed. And over here, whenever I now basically refresh this website, you'll be able to see that in a few seconds, up to a few minutes, it's going to basically update my leverage. There we go, it already did it, and now my leverage is as I set it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.